Hey, what's up guys? So Amazfit T Rex 3 Pro has received a new update in which they have added some new features and one really cool feature and then some background stuff that they've done. So the first things first, let's take a look at this new software update. So if you go in settings, scroll all the way down, go in system, go in about, you will see this new software version which is 3.3.4.1. so if you have this software version, you will have all of these new features on this watch. So they've added this new feature where if you're in recreational diving, you can go to the go page and now you will see the no fly and gas icons there with related data for comprehensive and clearer on-screen information. So if we go in workouts, go in recreational diving, start the workout, you will see this no fly icon and you will see this gas icon with their data. Moving on, they've also added navigation support for some outdoor activities, but which activities will get this support is not clear and they have not mentioned it in their software update log, but you might want to check the activity of your choice to see if it has got navigation support. Now you can now also delete and edit your nap records for more flexible sleep management. So if you know that the sleep record has not been accurately measured by the watch, you can edit it and that way you will get more accurate recordings on your watch. Moving on, they have also added support for using the Helio strap as the heart rate sensor during workouts for more accurate training data. So if you're wearing the watch as well as the Helio strap, you can set the Helio strap as the default device to detect the heart rate as compared to the watch. And finally, the last thing that I want to talk about is also a pretty cool feature. You can now take screenshots on T Rex 3 Pro. So if you press the select button and the down button together, you can take a screenshot on this watch. And the screenshotted image will automatically sync with your phone album and you'll be able to see them in the gallery app on your phone. So that's a pretty cool feature. You can now screenshot important information or notifications very quickly on the watch and see that same information on your phone as a screenshot. So that's about it from this video guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.